Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best flower pot base is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any plant enthusiast, playing a crucial role in protecting your surfaces from water damage and soil spillage while also enhancing the overall aesthetic of your plant display, ensuring your beloved greenery thrives and your home remains pristine. Number 5. MUDEELA 6-inch Indoor Plant Saucers, 6-pack. Tired of flimsy plant saucers? Ours are made from thick, strong plastic, making them more durable than others. They're sturdy enough to hold even your heaviest pots with ease. Get great quality with this 6-pack of 6-inch plant saucers. They are perfect for various uses around your home. With a height of 1.06 inches and a waterproof design, you can rest assured that water won't leak out. Keep your floors and furniture safe from water damage. It's important to note that the top and bottom dimensions differ. Please review the size information carefully to ensure these pot trays are the right fit for your needs. We understand that shipping can sometimes be rough. If you receive any damaged or missing pieces, please contact us immediately. We're here to resolve your issue within 24 hours. What we like? If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective solution for your indoor plants, this set is a great choice. Its thicker, stronger plastic construction ensures durability, and the deep design effectively catches excess water. You should consider this if you want to protect your floors and furniture from water damage without breaking the bank. What people say. These saucers are much more sturdy than any I found locally. Very pleased with the thick and sturdy quality of these plant saucers. Holds my large, heavy pots without cracking like the flimsy ones. The plastic is thick and rigid, no bending or flopping. Also, the saucer has lots of depth so excess water will not spill over onto the floor. Number 4. HOMEXIN Adjustable Metal Plant Stand. This plant stand offers adjustable width to fit pots from 7 to 12 inches. You can also reverse it to give your plants a little extra height for a more attractive display. With its classic mid-century style, this stand complements most home decor. It's perfect for placing in a corner, on a patio, or balcony. Crafted from thick premium steel, it's built to last and can hold even heavy plant pots. It also includes pads to protect your floors and ensure stability. The high-quality paint coating makes it weather-resistant, so you can use it both indoors and outdoors without worry of fading or corrosion. Assembly is a breeze. Simply insert the parts, adjust the width, tighten the screws, and it's ready for your favorite plant. What we like? For those who appreciate style and flexibility, this adjustable plant stand is ideal. Its mid-century modern aesthetic complements any decor, and the ability to adjust its width makes it incredibly versatile. If you like to frequently change your plant arrangements or have pots of varying sizes, this stand offers both stability and visual appeal. What people say. The adjustable size is a great feature, allowing me to use it for different pot sizes. It's very sturdy and holds my plant pots securely. Love that the stand is expandable so I can always switch out to a wider plant pot if needed. Number 3. AMAGABELI 14 Heavy-Duty Plant Caddy 2-pack. Introducing our heavy-duty plant caddy, designed to effortlessly move your largest plants. Its robust construction ensures it can handle substantial weight, making plant relocation a breeze. Crafted from rust-proof and weather-resistant powder-coated iron, this caddy is built to last. Its finish remains vibrant over time, ensuring it looks great indoors and outdoors. Forget about complicated assembly. These plant caddies come fully assembled with smooth rolling casters that won't scratch your floors. Plus, the lockable wheels keep them securely in place. Perfect for any setting, it glides smoothly on hardwood floors and uneven surfaces. Its stylish design adds a decorative touch to your home while providing stable support for your plants. Designed for outdoor durability, its powder-coated surface resists rust and corrosion. It complements your patio, garden, or deck beautifully and moves freely on various grounds. Beyond plants, use it for moving heavy containers, large vases, or even trash cans. Its wide application makes it a versatile tool for various needs around your home. What we like? If you have very heavy plants or frequently need to move them, this rolling plant caddy is your best bet. Its robust construction can handle significant weight, and the lockable casters provide excellent stability when needed. You should choose this if you need a durable, no-fuss solution for moving large planters around your home or garden, especially on uneven surfaces. What people say. The saucer is deep enough to catch excess water. It fits perfectly under my 10-inch pot. The material is sturdy and doesn't feel cheap. Number 2. PeoMev 6/8 10-inch plant saucer, 12-pack. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these saucers are built to last. They are incredibly sturdy, able to support even heavy pots, yet remain lightweight for easy handling. Beyond gardening, these trays offer endless possibilities for home decor and practical uses. Use them for plants, DIY projects, or even as pet trays. Say goodbye to water stains and messy soil. These trays effectively collect excess water and drainage, protecting your floors and furniture. This convenient 12-pack includes 3 different sizes, 6, 8, and 10 inches. It's the perfect set to meet all your plant care needs. Provide your plants with the stable support they need, indoors or outdoors. Easily move your plants when necessary, ensuring they always get the right amount of sunlight. These saucers help prevent overwatering by collecting excess water. This creates an optimal soil environment, encouraging robust plant growth. What we like. This pack offers fantastic value with a variety of sizes to fit all your plants. They are sturdy enough to hold heavy pots yet lightweight for easy handling. If you enjoy decorating your plant space or need versatile trays for various uses beyond just plant drainage, this multi-size pack is perfect for you. What people say. They look better and they are much easier to clean. The variety of sizes handled all of my plants, with a couple of extras from my annual Christmas cactus haul. The depth is perfect and they are very sturdy, unlike ones that are at the stores and higher priced. Number 1. NAZKAEN 14.2-inch heavy-duty rolling planter Caddy. Introducing the NAZKAEN rolling planter Caddy, designed for ultimate convenience. Move your heaviest potted plants with ease, indoors or outdoors. Forget complicated instructions. This caddy arrives ready to use straight out of the box. Simply place your planter on it and start moving. Crafted with industrial-grade materials, this caddy is built for strength and durability. It's designed to withstand the weight of your pots and regular use for years to come. Navigate any space effortlessly. The improved wheels glide smoothly and quietly, protecting your floors while making movement a breeze. Available in a range of sizes, you're sure to find the perfect fit for any plant. We've considered all your needs, from small succulents to large ferns. Don't let the elements stop you. This caddy is weather-resistant, capable of withstanding sunlight, rain, and even corrosive conditions. What we like. For ultimate convenience and resilience, this wheeled plant caddy is a top contender. It arrives fully assembled, saving you time and effort, and is built with industrial-grade materials for exceptional durability. If you need a robust, weather-resistant solution that can easily move heavy pots indoors or outdoors without any hassle, this is the one to get. What people say. The drainage holes are a good size and allow for proper water flow. The material is sturdy and feels like it will last a long time. The design is simple and elegant, fitting well with most decor styles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.